search campaigns, and I've got a bunch of search campaigns already here. I need to start a new campaign. So I'm going to go into campaigns, then click on the plus icon to start a campaign. Click on new campaign, and you can see there are a number of different objectives that you can target, like sales, leads, website traffic, and so many more. What we want to do is target the leads objective because we want leads. Click on the leads objective, and you've got some search campaign types. You can do a search ad, you can do a display ad, you can do a shopping ad, you can do a video ad, or you can do the smart ads. Currently, the lead gen extension is supported only with the search or video ads, which are on YouTube, not any other kind of ad. So you don't have the lead gen extension on display or shopping or any other objective, any other ad type. So just click on search and let's go right inside. So how do we want to reach our goal? We want to reach our goal using the lead form submission. So what we want to do is have people click on the ad and fill in a form right on google.com where they can give us their name and the email. Okay, again, let me rephrase that. People don't need to fill in a form because the form is pre-filled. It already has the name, it already has the email ID, the correct private Gmail email ID, and all they need to do is click on the submit button. So click on continue. The next step, we gotta give it a name. Let's keep the default one. I don't really care for it right now. It's gonna be on the search network. It's gonna be on the display network. So you can just put that in, that's fine. You can choose your targeting. I'm not gonna go into targeting because this is not a tutorial about that. I'm not gonna talk about targeting at all over here. So let's just skip all of that. And you can even add an audience. So if you've got a ready audience, you want to remarket or retarget to people who have visited a website. Let's say you got a website. This is something really, really amazing. Let's say you got a website, you have a bunch of people coming in, you've got a bunch of leads. You can show your ads to those guys and you can grab their email addresses, you can grab their names, even when they're not on your website. So you have some very, very targeted audience for yourself. You can put in a budget. So I'm going to put in a generic budget. And what do you want? Do you want conversions? Conversions in this case is people signing up to your list. So that's perfectly fine. Let the target CPA be good because you can always modify it later. Right now, it might seem a bit high sometimes, but that might not be necessarily the price for which you will get the actual lead. Let it be high. Let's monitor your CPA cost and then see how you need to calibrate it. Let it go to, and then you've got your lead form extensions. I've got a couple of lead form extensions already in there. So I'm not going to use those because I want to show you how to create a lead form extension. So click on lead form extension and you can then start making it. Let's do it right now. The first thing, you need to select a call to action. And if you are asking people to sign up, then I think sign up is a good call to action. But if you want to have them take different actions like learn more, get code, apply now, you can select from many of these. You also got subscribe or download. So if you got a lead gen like a PDF or a product that you're giving away in return for signing up, you can have that too. I'm gonna go with sign up for now. And this is the extension text. It goes right over here. Fill in. Let's get you the access right away. So I just put in a message. Of course, you got to respect Google's requirement. It has to be 30 characters. So I'm gonna just read some of the stuff. Now you need the headline. Now this is the actual form. It's going to be pre-filled. So you need to put in all this information. The first is the headline. It goes right below your business name. And it has to be something nicer, something that describes your product. What is the people getting? What is the person getting? What is it? What is in it for them? So subscribe to your free offer and get access. Or you can just say get access instantly to the product, or yeah, there's not too much space, so I'm just gonna leave it at get access instantly. Now the business name is something that you identify your company with. It can be your company's name, it can be your brand. You don't need to write the entire name. Like you might have a company name which would be like this and that company, LLC or corp or whatever. You don't need to fill the entire name. You just need to fill the basic branding. For me, my identifiable branding is Technic Force, so I'm just gonna put that in. And finally, the description, you got a lot more room over here, so we can play with this. We can put in some more information over here. Ready to get started and explore the exciting, okay, I spelled that wrong, world of internet marketing. Sign up and we will get you there instantly. Yeah, whatever. I just wrote it off my head, so not the best, but you can select. And this is where you select what information you need. So typically you will want the name. You can either get the name in one go, the full name, or you can ask for two fields, the first name and the last name. I would say keep things minimum. Yeah, here it's three fields, so even this is good enough. Then you can take the phone number if you want. Typically, we will want the email. So there are three fields over here. If you want to make it look more compact, more easy to fill in, put in two fields. Again, all of this information is going to be pre-filled. Your customers not required to put in any information. Then you will need a privacy policy. URL is very important because you are getting the lead. You're getting customer's name, you're getting customer's email address or phone number too, and that is all customer's personal details. So you will need to put in a link to a privacy policy URL. It should be on your website. It should be something that is hosted by you. You cannot point it to another generic URL because Google will ban your ads. They're not going to approve you. So it will be something that is definitely on your website. Then you need to select the background image. I'm going to put in something nice, maybe this one. Okay, this one is not because effective. Let's find the one. All right, so I put in an image that is suitable and then I'm ready to go. Now this image will be displayed on the top of my ad. I have to select it first, click on continue, click on save, and it's been refreshed, it's been saved. Right, so this will be a part of your ad. It will be displayed on the top of your ad. I think it's still refreshing. Yeah, it's gonna show up. So it showed up. You can do a little bit of play here too. You can put in something nice about your product. You can put in a screen. If you got a SaaS or if you got another product, you can put in something nice over here that will attract people's attention and get you the details. Then after submitting, you will show them a form. You will show them a confirmation, and from the confirmation, you can actually take them to your website too. So you can put in something nice like subscribed. This is the acknowledgement of the action taken, and then you can thank them. Thanks for subscribing. Click on the link below to get your access. Simple, yeah? Visit your website, and finally the URL, HTTP, and the website where you're delivering the product. Remember, all of this is scrutinized by Google. Google checks everything, so you should have authentic information over there. Make sure you're actually delivering the product. Don't get people to sign up again if you want to avoid getting banned or getting your ads to your or having your ads not run at all. So make sure you just manage all of that. Then this is the magic place where you need to put in the webhook URL from Ads2List. Now, in a separate tutorial, I have shown you how to do this. Let me quickly see if I find another. All right, so I have this over here. Click on this button, copy codes for Google Ads, and this is your webhook URL that you need to paste in, and the authentication code, the authentication key, paste both these things, and just click on send test data very quickly. So what Google will do is it's going to send a test record to Ads2List, and if everything is working as it should be, if your form is set up correctly, if the integration with Ads2List is working, if your account is valid on Ads2List, it's gonna give you a green tick and tell you that this record is correct. But if something is wrong, like I put in an invalid URL and I click on send test data, it's going to tell you that this is not correct. So the very easy test to test that everything is okay, just click on send test data, you get a green tick, you are good to go. Finally, you're done. That's all. You've done the lead extension, you've done the lead form, and you have created the submission message. And that's all you need to do to get your leads flowing from your Google Ads to your autoresponders. So that was it. Our new lead form is created and our Google ad is good to go. Click on save and continue. and our ad campaign should be just activated instantly. Of course, you need to put in information like the keywords. So I'm gonna put in internet marketing here just for the sake of it. And let's continue, save and continue. You need to create an ad group. And finally, you can also select the copy of your ad. So you will need to put in a final URL, something like this, which is not part of your lead extension. It's the other stuff. Put in a headline like want to learn internet marketing. Okay, I'm just gonna shorten it to IM or online marketing. Okay, I'm gonna shorten it. Okay. Okay, I just put in some data, a description, another option, okay, I do a lot of mistakes. Done, save and continue. Your ad is created too. And now your campaign is created. It's right over here. When you click on extensions, you should see your extensions, like click on add-in extensions. And you can see in extensions, you can see the lead form extension that created. And once the lead starts flowing in, you can download the leads and you can see them in a CSV file, but that's not really something that you will need to do because your leads are going to be in your autoresponder thanks to Ads2List.